Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to access to lounge on Etihad. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Etihad account, which of course I have done right here. How can you create an account on Etihad is pretty simple. Go ahead and launch any browser of your choice. Locate the search bar. In the search bar, type etihad.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Etihad. Once you get in there, kindly follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account, and once you're done creating your account, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Etihad. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to access to lounge on Etihad. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have book, and you have manage, you have experience, you have destination to help and Etihad guest. Head over to experience. You have these three categories which says on board, before you fly, and sustainability. Head over to before you fly, and you have these categories staring at you, which include lounges, the UA visa, and all of this stuff. So go ahead and click on lounges, and let's go through the process of accessing any lounge of choice. You have lounges at Zayed International Airport, and you have first class lounge, you have business class lounge. So let's say I want to go for business class lounge, and I'm going to click on book now. So here you go. For me to have access to a lounge, for me to access to it, means I have to head over here to this manage booking. So select the trip, or select your booking, and after selecting your booking, then it's going to take you to a window where you can now choose any lounge of choice. All right, but this booking is not complete, so that's why I can click on this upcoming flight, and it's going to take me to the flights window. So you have this confirmation banner. I have to confirm this, my contact details. So in here you have this my booking, you have all of this, so you can choose to see it, add extra baggage, but we're actually looking at how to have access to lounge, clicking on that view more option. So here you have this complimentary lounge. It's not enabled here, so these are the things that actually attached to my tickets, because it's a first class ticket. So these are the things that are available for me, but you cannot necessarily have access to lounge or select any of the lounge that you want to choose here, because this has not been approved, that this has not been booked. This is still a booking in process. All right, it's still a booking in process. But if it's a booking that you have already booked and you found your booking, so just click on the booking and go ahead and access any lounge that you want. Choose any lounge from any of the options. You're going to find it there, and just have fun with that. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.